People don't need more scattered information. People just need a clear path to go down. There's so many people out there that want to start their online business, but they absolutely have no clue where to go. Well, friends, join me today in this video because I'm going to explain to you why I created the Business Hub. And don't let that sound complicated to you. The Business Hub is just a collection of a place where it's not salesy. It is just a guided journey so that you can go in and you can decide what's best for you. You don't have to worry about having all of these links out there and wondering how to get your person to it. You don't need to go out there and search another platform and pay monthly for a platform where you don't have the ability to put everything that you have in your business in one spot. The number one key that I really want to help you understand is this. If you are not collecting an email list, if you're not giving someone a bonus of something, a free gift to explain to them how they can start their online business journey and that you can collect their email address and provide value for them, it's not that you're spamming them in any way. You're providing value for their journey. There's so many people that do not understand that there's people out there that truly want to help you in your journey. So that is what I created the Business Hub for. I'm going to do a 2-day workshop this Wednesday and Thursday. And what on that workshop it's going to include is everything that you need in one spot. I've already done a template for you that's just, it's got your capture page, it's got your information page, and it's got your thank you page. But the thing I love about this, it's not an upsell. It's not an upsell funnel. You know, when you go in and you put your information in on any platform out there, they want your email and then they say this and then they say that and then it takes you to the next page and it takes you to the next page and it's like an upsell of an upsell of an upsell of an upsell. And people are just sick of it. But people want to know that they can trust you and they want to know that you guide them to understanding that there's more opportunities online than just an upsell product, that you can get your own business going and you can have everything in one spot. Knowing who you're wanting to help is the key. You know, speak to one clear person with one clear problem and that you're solving, and don't make it impossible for them to understand the message on your page. You know, whenever I walked away from my teaching career, I came into the digital online space, and the reason that I did is because I never wanted to miss a special moments ever again with my family. When my husband asked me not to re-sign my contract, I was working 8 to 16 hours a day. I don't have to do that anymore because I said yes to him not signing my contract. I said yes to us having more time with our family and doing the things that we want to do versus having a 9-to-5 job. Since then, he's retired and we can go and do what we want to whenever we want to. We don't have to be at home. But if I am at home, I can produce content at home. I can help you with long form videos. I can help you do different things. And the thing I love about it is I have my own community now so that I can help coach you along your way so that you can understand how to get the clarity that you need to move forward as well. My point too, give people one clear point. Give them one clear path to go to. Whenever I created this last week, I decided I was going to help somebody else understand that they don't have to have everything out there in 5 different ways. You know, you have a link for here, you have a link for here, you have a link for here, and you don't know how to manage your business online because you have all of these different links that you're sending people to. With the hub, it's one clear starting path to where you can go and you can understand if you want to watch the latest webinar, here's this. But if you want to get registered for the next webinar that we're going to have tonight, then here you can register for that. But if you just want more clarity and information, then come join me in my free community, and there's that point. But if you're ready to start understanding about the online space, but you're not ready to commit to a big program, then I have the monthly where you can join in my monthly and you can get all of the content in there that you can understand what the digital world's all about. Or if you're ready to go all in, then you can come and join my VIP. And I teach you how to build your complete ecosystem, how to build your community online, how to do everything that you need to do to move forward in your journey. Organizing all of that into one place is huge. It's helpful content. It's getting the emails all together. It's getting all your videos and resources together, your community and training together, your products and services. You're done for your business. And you're saying, well, Christy, I don't have any of that yet. You have what your desire is. Your desire is to have that. So if it is to have that, well, then come and let me guide you in your journey, building your ecosystem to where it's 100% profit right back to you, to where you understand the clarity instead of having to buy all of these things that you don't need out there. You do not need anything other than what you have inside of you. It's like starting a job. Whenever you go out there and you're starting that job, you're learning all of these new skills for that job. Just come join my free community and learn all of these skills. It's a step for you each day. I do a daily build in there. And this coming Saturday, we're fixing to start our 90-day run. You don't want to miss it, friends. I promise you. Think about where you could be in the next 30, 60, or 90 days if you just come and learn free information. And then if you're ready to jump in with both feet and let's go, I'm taking 12 people with me the month of August, one by one, step by step, understanding what you need to do. Are you going to be one of my 12? Because I hope and pray that you will be, because that's going to give you the opportunity to build your own business 100% profit. Let the people look, let the people learn, let the people decide what they want. That gives them the option and the clarity that they need to move forward. Then connect your entire customer journey into your capture page. The capture page takes them to the business hub. The business hub takes them to your thank you page and gives them a purpose for every piece of information. So I just want to encourage you, if you haven't signed up for the workshop yet, come join me. It is free, completely free for 2 days. We're going to do it Wednesday and Thursday of this week. And you're going to get a free template to build. If you cannot come because you're working, I totally get it. My VIP for the workshop is only $47, friends. And you get all the recordings, all of the templates, all of the worksheets, all of the explanation of what you need to do to get your journey started. It is the cheapest way to get your business in business mode, 100% profit to you. So come join me. I cannot wait to help you on your journey, and go reserve your seat at buildingdigitally.online. That's going to give you the seat that you need to reserve to come join my community, to come get in all the information for the workshop. And I cannot wait to help you on the inside, because it's going to be an amazing journey. And I can't wait to see where you are in the next 30, 60, or 90 days. See you on the next one.